Good morning.
Do you get to keep this?
Yes,
today?
of course you get to keep it. Well, I want to edit it first, my love. Say something.
This is what I received from the shower given to me by Patty Spence, June the 10th, 1990. These are just a few of the ideas that I'm mowing around with the money I received from my money tree by the shower given by Sandy Sellen. And then over here, am I going too fast for you? No? Over here, do 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 do. I feel like
$1 million bucks.
Wheel of Fortune, Vanna. Do 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 do.
Show us a little leg, Vanna. You farmer, you.
And we also received money. Here, I don't know how much.
Wonderful. Great gifts.
Beautiful gifts. Beautiful. That's all. This is from my sister Laura from Germany.
Wow, awesome.
And my sister Louie from Stratford. And their mates Mark and Andy.
Thank you for the introduction, my love. Congratulations, Pam and Steve. Hope you both have a very happy and prosperous wedding life together. Lori.